Alright, customer complaint. The freeze is leaking from the bottom. So let's see. Okay. So as you see right here, we got a sheet of ice. So that means we got a clogged drain. Okay. Alright, so this is the new rail for the left hand side that we got to change out. And I also got to change out the water filter that's vet. And this is the rail for this refrigerator, and I also have a clogged drain. See how the door won't shut. This rail won't go all the way in. This one will. So I'm about to change it out. Alright, so we can see that this rail right here is the issue. That one goes in. Alright, as you see, we got the door to shut properly. So now we're about to clear the drain. Alright, so now we're about to clean out this drain tube because it's definitely not draining. So we got a clear flow, so we're good to go. Alright, so now we're about to change out the water filter because it was bad. And it's just gonna go right here. Alright, so we're about to change out the filter. We just reset it. So now we're about to purge out the line. So you wanna do like 1 gallon when you're doing this.